What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy 5.0 Vic, back with another video, and I'm in the car today, bro. We just gonna make a video in the car. I'm gonna talk to y'all, man. How did I get over 2,000 subscribers as a car YouTuber? First of all, bro, shorts. For some reason, YouTube is pushing for some reason, YouTube is pushing the shorts out. Make sure you utilize those shorts. As far as making shorts, man, you gotta make engaging content. Do little funny skits, man. Do relatable topics. Do how-tos. Do funny stuff. And you gotta make sure to have a call to action at the end of the video. Say, for instance, at the end of your video, have some words on the screen, text on the screen, whatever, saying, subscribe if you blah, blah, blah. Say like, my channel is basically on Mustangs. I might put, subscribe if you love Mustangs, so and so. You get what I'm saying? Another example I might use is comparing different exhausts of Mustangs. Like I might compare my Mustang sound to my friend Mustang, or I might just be showing off my exhaust sound in general. And I might put at the end of the screen, subscribe if you like the way this Mustang sound. Subscribe if you like the way Mustang sounds. You know what I'm saying? Another way I gain subscribers is I go live from time to time. Live video, but make sure if you go live, do it the vertical way, not horizontal. Because for some reason, YouTube pushing the live streams out too. And I know for a fact, I gained at least 200 to 300 subscribers just off of that. I might be on there showing off my car, or I might go to a car meets. I'm filming the car meet the whole time on live, and the chat be going crazy. Like, they like to see action, engaging content, bro. And like, while you doing this, you tell the people who you talking to, subscribe, man. Subscribe if you want to see more content. Subscribe if you like what you seeing right now. It's easy, bro. Just connect with your subscribers, connect with the people in the chat. Like, make them feel like family. Hey, man, another way, POV drives. Get you a GoPro or some kind of camera that you can mount on your hat. I see a lot of people have cameras on their chest, but I don't like the view. The GoPro on your hat, I think is the best way. People like to see POVs while you driving. They want to look at your speedometer. They want to hear how the car sounds. They want to look at your point of view from the windshield. They want to hear, like, when you hit the gas, your car say, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? They like little stuff like that. So get you a GoPro and just drive, man. Upload. Also upload how-to videos, comparison videos. Like, I did a video comparing my Mustang sound to my friend Mustang sound. Exhaust sound, that is. That video did pretty well. I think the last time I checked, it was like at maybe over 7K views. It might be at, I don't know where it's at. Now I haven't looked in a while, but comparison videos, like, give engaging questions, like ask them which car sound the best. Which one do y'all like the best? They write in the comment, tell them to subscribe, man, and comment, like, get people to interact with your channel. And I know I've already said this, but do like some skits, man, funny car skits. I did a couple of those in my channel. Like, they like that stuff, man. People like controversial topics. I did like a Ford versus Mopar funny skit. Man, the comment section went crazy. And I got a couple subscribers off of that. So, yeah, man, just upload, bro, upload. Stay consistent. That's another thing I got to get better at, is being consistent. But it's hard trying to balance doing YouTube and working, man. I work a lot of hours. But yeah, I'm working on that. With that being said, man, if you want to do YouTube, just do it. Don't worry about what people gonna say. Don't worry about what people gonna think about you. Just do it. At the end of the day, you want to do YouTube, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Upload, man. Don't worry about what anybody say. Just do it. All right, y'all, I'm about to wrap this video up. And those are my steps that I took to get over 2,000 subscribers as a car YouTuber in a short amount of time. Now, if you follow these steps, the same thing could happen for you. So, on to the next video. Peace. Oh yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new, man. Comment if you enjoyed this video, and like my video, please. it puts me in the algorithm, man. Peace.